Hello lovers, all things that move. After being several hours in the TSA lines, we finally made all the way across the water to get some vegan burgers in New York City. Now, all the way from the Caribbean, all the way to the Big Apple, right? We're here. We made it several thousand, what are we, about 1,000 miles away since yesterday. What a journey. Now we have another day tomorrow, full of activities, right? Let's explore New York City.
Station is Grand Central Madison, San Juan, Theater. This takes time to belongings and transfer in. Please place it approximately to the station platform. Please remember to get the train station platform. Station is Grand Central Madison.
Here we go. Shit going. There you are. Which way we go?
I don't know.
This way? I think is it? Wow. We are really deep over here, right? Oh my god. This is why we love all things that move. You can be 1,000 miles away and be across the globe and somewhere else. And now, even though it's late, New York City things is still open. So we're gonna try to get some delicious vegan burgers and see if we can make it to this place very soon. First, we gotta drop our bags and then go there. Alright, it's about midnight in New York City. It's quiet tonight. We're going to this vegan joint that we've been going for a while. It's called the Gyros, right? That's right, Gyros Burger. This place is hidden. It's like a hole on the wall, literally a hole on the wall. But they have a very good vegan burger. Everything is plant-based. They have a beautiful milkshake and they're supposed to be open until 3 a.m. So hopefully they're open now, and here's the hole on the wall. Cute. We got a little milkshake, little potato. And the famous vegan burger. Open it. Doesn't even look vegan, does it? What do you think? It is all plant-based.
Right here.
So there it is, a great burger. Even though it's plant-based, it's a good seasoning. I don't know, something very special there. Don't you think?
It's delicious.
It is. New York is truly an amazing city how you can find food late in the day. So from Times Square, from one train to another train, Canal Street, Lexington Street, we made it back to our hotel, which is a nice cool station. You're gonna see the brick 49th Street very soon. This is Canal Street. Made it safely to 49th Street at 2 a.m. Now we're gonna go to our hotel. Before, let's catch a couple of trains here. And until I see you again, keep loving what moves you.